I came across this car with a mate of mine, and it wasn't my first choice, but because it was a pillarless, I thought, you know what, I have to give it a go. So there it is. There was, if I could, I would love to do like a HK Holden or a 64 Bel Air, but yeah, this one came across. I came across this one and had to do it. It was too good not to do it. This car is definitely a part of the family. My kids tell me that they think that I love the car more than them. That's not true. But they still haven't driven the car yet. My name is Joe. This is my 57 Chev 4-door pillarless. It'll be on display at the Southwest Indoor Motor Show, the 19th and 20th of May 2018. Hope I can see you there.